Porsche 911 owners, gentlemen, start your engines. We're looking at heritage. Beautiful work here on these 1978. I think they go from 77 to 84, I think. Factory sport seats. Although someone here will know exactly what it is, even if I can't remember right now. Anyway, you can see how these turned out beautifully. We've finished these in the factory original semi-gloss. That this is a reproduction leather that we have made in Germany, and it's an exact copy of the original. It has this sort of satin sheen to it. All the pads were rebuilt as usual, and then you can see our twin needle stitch machine and the perforations as original, but it's a nice little twin needle stitch on the top, and you can see the results are beautiful, and they're a great looking seat. And in fact, if you look at Porsche's site, Singer's site, you can see that they've been the inspiration for the new seat that they've developed. Definitely influenced by this one. Great looking seats and comfortable too. So there they are. There's the factory original sport seats. The first version